We are now going to progress to some steps which are a bit more difficult. Ready, set, and begin.
Annyeong friends, welcome to my K-Ocean, and today I'm back with another K-Influencer mission, the July month mission. And again, we have two topics to choose from. The first topic is Korean summer, and the second topic is my Korean language learning journey. Although I have tried to learn Korean, I have learned the consonants, the vowels, the formation, the reading, but I've never learned the meaning of the words. So you can say, I can read it, but I don't know the meaning of the word. Never mind.
Listen to my heart to beat.
But I can do the first topic of the mission. So I will be choosing my Korean summer food. I would be making something interesting using my Indian cuisine ingredients to make a Korean dish. That would be interesting and experimental at the same time. So, I have decided to make the easiest dish, and the vegetarian version of that dish would be really convenient for me to make. That is, I want you to guess. What do you think I will be making? Guess. It's really easy. I'll be making Bibim Guksu. Bibim Guksu. It is nothing complicated. It is just a version of bibimbap with noodles. That too, cold noodles. But I am not gonna make cold noodles. I'll experiment with some weird ingredients and let's see what is the outcome. Are you ready to make this dish with me? Let's go! Hey, do you think you'll be doing justice to this dish by making it with weird ingredients and not the original Korean ingredients? Let's not worry about that. We can experiment with the dish to an extent. I'll try to make it look similar to what the Bibim Guksu actually looks like. Don't worry, I'll try to make it according to my taste and my palate. But I'll do justice with the dish. Let's get started. Alright friends, I'm back and now it's time for the taste test. This is how my Bibim Guksu looks. I have added some cilantro and mint as well, and here I have some ketchup because I like my noodles with ketchup. So, time for the taste test. Have a look. Let's begin with tomatoes. I do not want to mix because some of my ingredients are hot and some of my ingredients are cold, so I don't know how that would taste. Okay, now the tomatoes are also hot. Not hot, warm. Should I mix it? I'll mix the part of carrots and onions. Noodles with some carrots. That's tasty. Now I'll go and enjoy my meal with the K-drama. Either I'll watch Kingdom or I'll watch See You in My 19th Life. Let's get going! And let me know which K-drama you guys are watching. Recommend me a K-drama in the comments below. In this video, we made Bibim Guksu. Hope you liked the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment. Did you like the recipe? Indians out there, please let me know in the comments. You can also try this recipe and let me know in the comments how did you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Listen to my heart to beat.